What's up, guys? So today I'm going to talk to you about 20 technologies that you can use to formally assess students in the classroom. The first one is called Plickers. It's a quiz that you can use for multiple choice true-false questions. Only the teacher needs a device. They print out barcodes. You flip it depending on the question, answer, and you scan the barcodes. You take a picture and record the answer. Poll everywhere. You used to use feedback, post open-ended questions. You choose from the ones that are listed. If you're using a phone, you text the code or custom URL code if you're using the stuff online. Flubaroo is an add-on, basically test quiz given to Google Docs. You can use it to grade tests and quizzes, and along with it, it provides a grading summary and details for said summary. Quizlet is basically a way to review test materials. It sets it up as either flashcard options or fill in the blanks. Sesame or Snap, depending on what you call it, basically is a way to store and create assessments and lesson plans. A way you can assess things, rubrics, checklists, rating scales, and you can also look at individual student profiles. Zaption assesses through videos basically, and it embeds questions throughout the video, and the videos are set up in a certain way called tours. BrainPop is similar to Schoology, but the teacher's not really creating the content, it's already there. There's various videos and games for the students to use, and the student work is saved, and it can be saved, to be assessed later. ClassFlow is another thing that's basically the same as Schoology. The teacher can post content materials, they can post lessons, and the students can communicate with the teacher. Infuse Learning is something similar to Quizlet. You can do multiple choice, true, false, open-ended, and draw response questions. Students can control the language, so this works with like ELL, ESL students who aren't very good with English, and the teacher can analyze the results and the data. Wixie is basically an online publisher. It allows students to write, draw, and paint. Works for creativity, and the teacher creates access to assignments. Lane School is solely for classroom management. You can have students with a blank screen option so they're not distracted. You can monitor student screens. You can limit what they access on the internet, and you can do student voting for like exit tickets and really quick assessments. Seesaw is a learning journal. Photos of drawing and other works can be uploaded to the journal. The teacher can view all the classes and all the uploads on a whole scale or individual basis, and the parents get notified when the teacher grades stuff. AnswerPad is used for really quick assessments. You can test the class as a whole or do a quick connect. Users and password names have to be used for the test, or connect code for quick connect, and teacher obviously can view student answers as they come in. Google Forms is basically a form creator. You can do multiple question types, whether it's multiple choice, short answer, and questions can be shared between people. Mentimeter is basically a way to collect data through a survey. Like we've seen before, questions can set up multiple choice, single choice, and also open-ended questions. Wordle is basically a generator for words through a picture. The more often a word is presented, the bigger it gets, and the whole combination of the words create some sort of picture. And Kahoot, we're all familiar with that. It's a multiple choice true-false quiz. It's interactive and competitive for the kids, and it's also engaging. And with the teacher, you can really see nice analyzed results that go pretty far in depth. Schoology, it's another thing we're familiar with. It's equivalent to a D2L for us at Millersville. You can post resources for students. You can do gradings on it. And you can also have discussions with the students and student-on-student discussions. Socrative is basically a quiz. You know, they log in with the PIN. There's quick questions that you can do, exit tickets. You can also track and monitor the students' process. Nearpod is basically changing up how you do a lesson with slides. You have options of virtual reality pictures. You can embed quizzes. You can do a chalkboard, a whiteboard drawing kind of thing, and you can also insert open-ended questions. And that, in a really, really quick nutshell, is 20 technologies to formally assess students. I apologize if I was going really fast, but obviously, that's how it goes with the timer. So hopefully you guys got something out of this and you can use some of these in the classroom. Thanks, guys.